Hi, my name is Anya, and today I really want to show you how to make some jelly cookies. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload. To make these jelly cookies, I'm going to be making 3 flavors: a raspberry flavored one, a pineapple flavored one, and a greengage flavored one. First, make the cookie dough. In a bowl, add in 250 grams of softened butter, then add in a 1/4 cup of sugar and mix until smooth. Add in a pinch of salt, and 1 egg and mix until well combined. Add in 2½ cups of flour. I gradually sifted mine in. Mix until a soft dough forms. Add the jelly powder to a bowl. Pour over a 1/4 cup of boiling hot water over each jelly powder. Mix until well incorporated. Separate the dough into 3 equal portions and mix it into the jelly mixture. Roll each dough into a sausage shape, then place into the freezer for 30 minutes. Cut medallions out of the sausage. I did not like the shape of the medallions, so I rolled each piece of dough into a ball and then I flattened it out onto a lined baking tray. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes. I hope you try to make this at home and enjoy some jelly cookies.